Oh yeah. Oh, that's a nice one. So many beautiful rocks. That's a nice thing to find on my way out. Hi everybody, it's Kate from Katie Did, and I am here with Dave and his wife Chonita and their friends Greg and Val, and we are at a secret spot and we're going to be hunting for blue agate and opal thunder eggs. It's a claim by the Owyhee Gem Mineral Society, and they've been gracious enough to let me come. I'm so excited. Let's see what we find. This is an example of the blue opal thunder egg we're after. That's pretty cool. I'm just picking up a little nodule here. I was hiking across the grass and my foot stepped in a hole and all my equipment fell on my head and I fell on my face. So that was really very graceful. Nice start to the day. Anyway, I'm just paying for the beautiful morning I had. We'll see what's inside that one. Well, Dave has told me that this wall here has given him some good eggs. Good eggs, eh? And so I'm going to start here. And Kava is very grateful to have some shade that she can lie down in the cool gravel. And let's get started. Okay, so we're going to see if we can find some eggs. It's fun that they call them eggs.
Yeah.
Thunder eggs. I think thunder eggs is a Native American name. Eggs of the thunderbird. Ooh, I think I found one maybe. Could just be a rock. Boy, these look really different than the thunder egg bed that we just looked at. There's a nice little one. Oh, it's so cute. Check it out. Oh yeah, see there's a lot of, they're fairly small, the ones that I'm finding in the wall here. Well, come down here in the shade, ding dong. Come here. Come settle right down there. Settle. Relax. Woo! Sorry, baby. This is where I found those two bigger ones right here on the edge of the there's dark stuff up here and then lighter crumblier stuff here, and I'm hoping that this is where the good ones are. Cross your fingers. Oh no, I think I broke it. Should we find some more? Let's see what we can find. There's one. There's one, and it's kind of in the right spot. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a nice one.
That's nice and big.
Yeah, it's a good baseball size. And it's heavy. So, fingers crossed.
Yeah. Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, that's the second one of that size that I pulled right out of here.
Well, that's a nice hole for Kava.
Yes, she likes it a lot.
Yeah.
It's good to sleep.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm so thankful that there's shade.
Yeah.
Isn't that cool? I
Yeah,
just
it
pulled
might
that
be
out
good.
from here. I don't know if you can see this, but this has that blue streak in there that tells me that it does have the blue opal. I'm pretty sure this is a thunder egg, and I'm gonna get it out. Ooh, not a thunder egg. I think this one might be. It's kind of a funny shape, but looks like it's got some stuff in it. And Dave told me that the stuff in this crumbly layer tends to be more not as nice. But this one is just sitting there waiting to be taken home. and it's the biggest one I found. So we'll give it a shot. Who knows? It's right on the layer, so maybe it's nice and awesome. These both have blue opal in them. These are just like from somebody's tailings pile. That's really cool. Big. This one's pretty big. It's not whole. You can see it's cracked here, but I want to get it out because I see blue all the way through there. So I learned from Jim that one of the first things you want to do when you're trying to get something out is to undermine it. So that's what I'm working on, but I sure wish I had his skills. I got it. And check this out. Blue opal. All right, I'm going over the tailings pile here. That's really tiny. And this one has some red stuff on it that Greg told me the red stuff often shows that it has something good inside. So I'll definitely take that one. And this one, already you can see that it has something inside. So I'll take that one. And I'm going to take this one because it's so cute. I just was looking at, this is Chonita, and she's Dave's wife, and she is digging her own hole here and doing a really good job. She actually said that
I didn't start the hole.
but you're finishing it, right? she said Dave already took a whole bucket full to the car, and now she's filling it up again. So, and she found this really cool one here that's already in half that you can see. It's got some really nice blues in it. So, good job, Chonita. Somebody just left this one. I'm going to take it. It's broken, but you can see it's got blue in it. And I bet it's bigger down here.
I think it's
Could be good. Would you cut it lengthways?
Ah, now you're going to mess with me. Understanding cutting of the not very good. Those fried eggs are the easiest one to cut.
Yeah, they are.
That is a nice one.
Oh, it's heavy too. That's solid.
But you can see
There's a theory. The rhyolite forms on the outside and it outgasses because the volcanic rock it has so much oxygen in it. It outgasses and it creates a pocket on the inside. And where that outgassing happens, that then allows the silicon dioxide to flow back into the inside of the rock and form opal or chalcedony or agate or whatever. This has definitely got some blue opal in it.
Yeah.
And on some of these, you can see there's two concentric circles around the rock,
Right.
like the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn.
Sure.
And then there's some longitude lines. And what they say, what I've read, is you want to cut along the longitude lines. That doesn't mean that it's always long on the long axis. Sometimes it might be squished out that way. But if you can see those lines, you want to cut along longitude lines that exposes most of the cavity.
Cool. Well, I didn't expect that to be an agate, or a thunder egg. Actually, I thought it was just another big chunk of...
It's got silicon dioxide poking out all over on here.
I know. I thought it was another big chunk of opal is what I thought, but then when I took it out, it was like, holy cow, this is a thunder egg.
Yep. That's nice.
Nice. Oh, nice and heavy.
That's the best one we've got today.
Oh, well, I like that. Okay, we are going to cut the big one. And I'm just trying to figure out where. Looks like maybe this right here is one of those longitude lines he was talking about. This could be one. Oh dear. Okay, well, let's see. Which one looks more likely to me? This just looks like a line. I think we're gonna cut it. We'll use that one.
Keep
Keep on doing.
Thank you for joining me on this adventure. I hope you enjoyed yourself. This is Kate from Katie Did. Keep on doing.